Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini longi khobor bam takasngi. Ka school Sherwood natura sa sisin kalayo biang banbad ika kadan bahakli du nagi samla ki bapas ha ke exam secondary school leaving certificate examination ne class 10 bala penna result daga Meghalaya Board of School Education embos hinne kasngi thoding. Usamri diadas na ka Sherwood School ubalayo sanspa anyo pu armarks but distinction ha kin ligi subject ulayo ika kadan ka baningkong ha ka top 20 jong ka result matrik kat ba ka Jyoti Priya Batharji na St. Margaret Higher Secondary School Shillong ka balayo sanspa anyo pu marks but distinction ha kin ligi subject kalayo ika kadan ka baar ya ka kadan balai layo bad dalai ngut ki bakenthop ya ka Tanushri Acharji kabana St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School Shillong kablayo sanspa anrup marks but distinction hagin rutli ki subject uritam Deep Chowdhury jong ka Sherwood School turao balayo sanspa anrup marks but distinction hagin rutli ki subject but Salri me M Sangma na St. Xavier Secondary School tura balayo sanspa anrup marks but distinction hagin rutli ki subject Urongrik B Sangma jong ka Aeroville Higher Secondary School tura ublayo sanspa anrupu armarks but distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Ulayo ikakadan kapasaw, katay ikakadan kapasan pan layo do Kennedy, Dondor, Richmond, Dunay, jungka All Saint, Diosan, Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ublayo sanspa anrupu marks but distinction hakin rutli ki subject. Laban ong hagani ka result ka paminta ka kanti ki school ki bana rilum garu kila pau bha ha ka bakilayo ikikadan bapher ha ka top 20 jungka SSLC. Hagani ke exam SSLC kiladon San Puwei Hajar Arspa Prapongun ki balayale ya ka examen Henry ki bla pass ki longtang Arphenriu Hajar Riuspa Arpkundaingun ka balongtang San Puwei point kandai pulai person bar gajing pass ki khna kalong ka baduna bha habayanu jor bat usnem ubla deb kalong San Phenriu point kandai Phenriu person.
Right now because I didn't imagine that I'll be able to be where I am, and it's mostly because of the hard work of the teachers and Sister Sonia, and I actually worked hard and consistently. So I'm really grateful to be here, and when I got the result, I couldn't imagine that I'll be able to be in top 20, and the feeling is, it's out of the world. I'm in cloud 9 right now. But then at the same time, I'm feeling really grateful to have been given the opportunity to be here, to have spent 10 years of my life with such amazing teachers. And at the same time, I'm feeling bad that I'll be leaving this school. This is the official goodbye after all, since the metric results have been declared. So I also have a feeling that leaving the teachers and all, but at the same time, I'm grateful and I'm extremely happy. That's all I have to say.
Because she's my best friend, no? BSF, whatever. And when I saw Jyoti, I did not see my name. I was like, oh, I'll do it. But after I saw Jyoti, I was the happiest. Tears just fell, and I was so happy. Then I saw my sister, hey, your name also is there. Check out. And I was like, oh yeah. But Jyoti, then I called her first. She's the first one that I called. She's also so happy. She was my inspiration. Her hard work was phenomenal. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, teachers also. My teachers, sister always motivated me. She called me, Tanushri, come, let's talk. Then she told me that, you have to balance everything, okay? Studies plus extracurricular. I also gave debate, elocution. I attended the elocution for Environment Day in Lady Hygie Park. They gave prize and all. So I was not like only studies. I'm not that studious, that type of topper with, specs. But then also, I was not that kind always. I also like fashion, that's why. So I never just focused on studies. But I also focused on my extracurricular, like I love debate, I love giving speech, elocution, and even singing, dance, art, everything. I have an art account also in Instagram, even my personal account. I was not like stopping everything. I went with the flow.
How does social media impact your studies?
They did not impact. They gave me joy. When I needed a time, no, I need break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay? And then I felt free, like tomorrow is exam, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down, you'll do good. We have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. So to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high, and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams. Just go on, go with the flow, and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that. If I even get air, I'm thinking to get air rank. Okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam. I will be very honored.
What's next for you?
Huh?
What's next?
Next. After this, I'll be pursuing the arts stream. I'll be going for the arts stream, and I'll be doing BA in history or political science.
The main thing is that the teachers, they really put some great efforts in explaining the concepts to us. They really explain those very well, and after explaining, it's really necessary to be regular in studies, whatever they explain. Just do it in a routine-wise. Studying is really important. It's not about studying 24 hours. You just need to understand and put some efforts. 1 hour of study with concentration is also enough.
Yeah, 1 hour of study is enough with concentration, and 24 hours without concentration. Without concentration, nothing. You will achieve nothing. But with 1 hour of concentration, you'll achieve everything.
She came, they were here.
I was so nervous, and all the time I was praying to God. And my family members, they endlessly inspired me. They were always with me throughout my childhood. Really thankful, and they always supported me. You can do it. They were always encouraging to it. The support they gave me is immense. I'm really thankful to them.